In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in Constant Contact for a more engaging message. Personalization helps your emails feel like real conversations. And today, I'll show you exactly how to add contact details so each message addresses people in a friendly, relevant way. First, open the Constant Contact email editor. If you already have a draft started, go ahead and open that campaign. If not, choose any template and jump into the editor view. This is where you'll design your email and make small tweaks that have a big impact on engagement. Next, click directly into the text area where you want to add personalization. Place your cursor exactly where you want a contact's details to appear. For example, if your greeting says hello, put your cursor right after it so the name will flow naturally. Now look for the personalization option, sometimes labeled Insert or Personalize, and choose Insert Contact Detail. This is the feature that lets you pull information from your contact list into your email automatically, so each recipient sees their own details without you typing them manually. Choose the specific field you want to insert. The most common options are first name and last name, but you might also use company or a custom field you've set up for your audience. Think about tone and context here. First name keeps things warm and casual. Last name can be more formal, and company is great when your message is business focused. Custom fields can bring in details like a membership level or a favorite product to make your content feel tailored. If it's available, add a fallback word or phrase, such as there. This ensures your sentence still reads well when a contact's detail is missing. For instance, hello first name becomes hello there if the first name isn't on file. Choose something that sounds natural in your brand voice and check spacing and punctuation so it reads smoothly in both cases. Finally, preview and test your email before sending. Use the preview mode to see how the personalization displays on desktop and mobile. Try switching the preview contact to verify different scenarios, especially those with missing data, to confirm your fallback works. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague to double-check formatting, line breaks, and tone. Read the greeting out loud once. It's an easy way to catch any awkward phrasing. And that's it. By opening the email editor, clicking the right text area, inserting contact details, choosing the best fields, adding a smart fallback, and thoroughly previewing and testing, you'll deliver personalized emails that feel authentic and get better results.